Hi guys, today I'm going to go to the grocery and what else? I will buy my mom a lot of things because madami siyang utos for today's video. And I'm just going alone because sometimes driving alone for me is a therapy kahit na madaming ano sa daan na nakakainis ganyan, but I like driving alone sometimes. Anyway, my hair is straight kasi nagpa-color ako ng hair and nagpa-treatment and I cannot ligo cannot ligo pa my hair. Shit, what floor is this? B5? Taas ko naman. So this is the parking lot yun. Taas ko naman. Okay. It's date day with my baby. Nasa Alabang Town Center kami, guys. This is my baby. We are at Lolito. It's my first time here. You? Son? We're looking for a place to eat. Madaming kainan dito, guys. Beef bar. Sobra.
Ano yung kilaeruan dito?
Ano bang pangalan nun?
Basta pag nakita ko yan.
Alam mo na. Merong jabroni.
Ayan.
Pero kasi pizza?
Hindi. Ano yung codes mo? Mamaya.
Hi guys, we are currently here at Mirago Theater and we're gonna watch James Reid.
May ibang po.